Do you want to know big numbers above a decillion? I made a big number chart with scientific notations for the cool scientific math hack experiment. You see the column, vigint, and you see the row, quadror. They're pointing to the number 10 to the 75th. That number is quadrovigintillion. And here is 10 to the 144th. That number is septenquadratillion. Here's the number centillion. That number is 10 to the 303rd. The number I'm showing you is tredecillion. Here is how you get this number. Here's how you know how many digits. You subtract by 3 from the centillion notation and then you add 102 and that will equal 402. Duodecillion has 10 to the 603rd and trigintillion has the number 10 to the 903rd. And I'll give you another example, but this is a big word number. The number 1128 is quintuagintedecillion. You subtract 3 from the tredecillion notation, and then you add 228, and that will equal 1128. Here's something cool about million. Million rhymes with millillion. That number millillion has 10 to the 3003rd power. You guys should learn this in school. I made up a cool experiment in my mind. So, I hope you guys learned this in school. I hope you got an A.